May album siya.
Ay,
Soon. It's an all-original 12-song album.
Nagawa na.
Kakaroon ba ng plaque?
Nagawa na namin yung isang kanta. Congratulations! Kakatapos lang yung isang song. May 11 to go.
Actually, yung isa,
may collab siya with Moira.
Na yung isa na yon actually, na isasama sa album. Yung isa na yon nakasama doon sa 12. Yun na yung nag-iisang hindi ko original. It's actually an entry for Himigando. Written by Francis Contemplacion. So, ako yung interpreter.
Yes. Original composition mo lahat.
Except
yung
for that
11.
one.
Except for that.
Wow. Well, actually, meron doon si Liza. May ilan doon si Liza. As a composer. Lahat talaga. Next time, as a singer na yan. Pili ko in 2 years' time. Konting really. Hopefully this year.
Yes.
Hopefully by September.
September. Birthday dapat. So naisip ko na birthday concert siya.
Sabi ko, pwede ba mo
pagod na
natin yung concert? Actually, hindi yung concert ang nakakapagod, yung promo. My God! Hindi naman sa ano Kaya nga, masaya ko na tayo to. Hindi siya, alam mo yan, yung casual. Kasi, ito yung part na nakakapagod sa totoo lang. Kasi, I'd rather sing than dumaldal. So, medyo tiring siya. Tapos pupunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar. Ganyan, pare-pareho lang may sasabihin mo. Diba? Di ba ang pagod eh?
Sa totoo lang.
So, yun. Sabi ko, at saka parang ako rin, parang at least once a year. Di ba? Something, so that people can actually look forward to something. And, di ba? This one naman, we can tour. So at least, kung gagawa tayong concert, ba't hindi mo na sa Manila, we can, actually, especially this concept. I think this concept is pretty
going
much
to, meron na siyang 2 countries outside of the
Ay,
Ito?
Wow. So yun, so we plan to go to more countries. Well,
Pero the album is September. Exciting.